Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the over app, as we usually talk about, and we are especially going to go over the graphic collections. I am going to share with you my favorite over app graphic collections. So to do so, we're going to go into my phone and we are going to look at the graphic collections that I added to my favorite. So I thought it would be awesome if I show you my favorite graphics as well as where I am using it and why I saved them, if I can remember. So once again, Miko wanted to come on the chair, so it's gonna be the all new thing. There you go. Hi. Let's hang out with Miko. Alright, so I'm gonna record my screen. You're going to see the screen over there and we are going to go into over and we are going to see what's into my favorite graphic collections. So to look at them, we're going to create something. Then we are going to go into the graphic in the bottom, collected collections. See all. We have how many of them? 29 collected graphic collections on my over app. Okay, so let's go into the first one, and the first one I've saved is the Salty Sea watercolor texture. So let's see what we got here. Alright, we got some watercolors, like abstract shape, and that's it. So let's select one of them, and I guess I use those to put some text on it, or for example if I was doing hello, I put the hello above this, and yeah, that was like a background kind of thing. The Epic Collage Maker. So as the name says, that was definitely to do some collage. So here you have some different shapes and strokes and lines, and yeah, definitely stuff to make some collage. I think I really liked also the Polaroid, so this is why I ended up having this one. But yeah, basically if you use this collection, you can make really cute collage and things. So our next collection is feminine photos. So that's really nice. It's like a stock of pictures that I use to make mock-ups. So see, on the one with the computers, I was putting pictures. Then same, I got Lady Boss, same purpose. I was doing the exact same thing using those pictures. Winter Instagram pictures, again, same purpose, guys. They were like Mac and iPads and MacBook Pro, and I was just doing mock-ups and things. We've got on the seaside photo. Okay, so I guess I really like the palm trees on those ones and the like beach vibes. Also there are some fun and stuff, so same purpose. I use these to make mock-ups and for my website and thing. Really beautiful pictures, I love them. Then we got Good Vibes Summer. Love this one. Look at those graphics, guys, how fun. So yeah, I use those to make, I think one of my videos I was making or giving some examples, and I used that one. I was also, I remember last summer, saving some of those illustration with a transparent background, and I was putting those stickers into my Instagram stories, so that's a hack. Then we have Romantic Flowers. I don't really remember why I saved this one. I think I was working on a kind of project and I did some like flowers, watercolor flowers, but I don't think I've ever used any of these, but really pretty. Then we have Bold Type. I kept that one for the arrows that you can see here, and yeah, really like the giveaway and IGTV, like those bold type thing where super nice to have. I like the new post one. Then we got Summer Child. So same, I think I used that for a video that I was showing up stuff, but I also really do love the illustration of that one. I think they're awesome. Look at this one. So you can make really cool stuff using those illustration, and I think that's super pretty and aesthetic, so I really love those. Okay, so once again, I guess I was using a lot of the over app during summer because we have more of summer things. California Dreaming. Love the like strokes, lines, little effects that you could use to any of your design, and look at those illustrations. Then we have a Mermazing Live by Helter Skelter. Love those design as well. Look how pretty is this. Then we have People Kit. So yeah, I love this one just to add some cute little icons to some of my posts, and I think trying to make some kind of banners for my website using those. Then those are my favorite. You see them everywhere. If you follow me on Pinterest and you look at my Pinterest pin, you will know that I'm using those icons all the time. Like those ladies here, all the time. Those are really cool because they are like little drawings, so I love to add one of those little graphics to my picture. Then we have zero waste. I love those because they are really beautiful. I love the color, so real, and that's super pretty. And look at those frames. Then there's shape shifters. So I really like this one. I've been using those shape for as long as I remember. They were the like my kind of brand graphics I was using all the time. Well, I change now, but yeah, I've used those abstract elements for a while by Jenna Maxfield. Then we have a Sea Treasure. Once again, I saved this because those drawing illustrations are beautiful. Halloween Spooky Nature. Well, I guess that was from the Halloween time, so probably in October when I was doing some posts about, you know, Halloween. And then I found the Retro 95. I've never really used these. I really just like the color palette or the window like a computer. I think that was really nice. I think I made one maybe edit with that, if I remember, from one of my Instagram posts. Then we have Flora Spring Coffee. So I really liked it just because I'm a coffee lover. Let's just... We have more minimal lines and shapes. So if you, now that I have Procreate, I do those myself. But if you do not have Procreate and you use Over for everything, those line and shape are pretty cool. Then you have Martinica Mood Board Collection. Ooh, so same, some shapes, some circles, a really nice kind of real effect of flowers. So this is a really good for mood board and collage as well. So next we got Hello Pumpkin watercolor set. So Sam, that was probably during fall, and oh yeah, I was making some stickers as well to put into your Instagram stories, so I use those quite a lot. Boho Soul Collection. Ooh, we love that. Those little symbols, so cute. Yeah, I also made an Instagram story template using the jean jacket, and that is so pretty. That's super pretty. I love this drawing. Beautiful. Alright guys, we have 3 more to go through and we'll be done with this video. So let's talk about all about leaves 3. So wow, I guess there is more than one all about leaves. I love these graphics because first there is 43 of them, so that's quite a lot, and you have tons of different leaves. Then the 2 last one are the one that I actually saved not a long time ago. So we have her flowers. So here are some more watercolors by Julia Dreams, and as you can see, you have some splash from coffee. I think that was really cool if you want to make some kind of effects, and more flowers and more leaves and beautiful colors. I mean, the watercolor, look at those flowers, are really cute. I also love frames. And the last but not least, digital flowers. Once again, I don't know what's going on with the flowers, but I really love them. Well, I put those in my favorites just because, I mean, that background, come on, gorgeous. And also all those flowers that look so real. I love the cutouts, PNG files or whatever. I think that is so pretty. That makes your graphic so much more realistic. So that is awesome, and that is it for all the graphics. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it and you learned something today and learned some new things about the Over app, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. I will highly appreciate you. Until next time, take care. Bye.